Hi, Julia. It's Tuesday, June 18th. Let me just check that real quick. Yep, it's Tuesday, June 18th. And I kind of forgot to do my video until just now. So I'm trying to do this like one take style. So I actually prepared a list of topics to talk about like I normally don't. So maybe this time I'll ramble on a little less and then we'll have to cut out as much like really dull, boring stuff. So, first on the list, my new job is awesome, continues to be awesome. I finished the draft of my first article, and I have an interview tomorrow for a profile I'm doing, and I'm working with some ideas to get some new articles going, and I think they're going to be really good. It's kind of cool being able to like pick my own topics and get a little bit more creative than I can like with the Thresher because there's all different kinds of articles, like there's short ones and like feature length and interviews. So there's a lot more creativity and it's a lot of fun. And I've been doing some research on the profession of science writing, and it's kind of sounding pretty appealing. So, I might be trying to do that forever. So I've been reading up this book that the National Association of Science Writers publishes, and it kind of sounds awesome. So, yeah, might be doing that forever. I guess part of what inspired me is the museum, which the newseum, like not the museum, the newseum. So it's a journalism museum, and it is awesome. Like the tickets are $20 and Smithsonian's are free, but it is totally worth it. Like the exhibits are just amazing, and it's such a nice building, and everything is so well put together, and it's fascinating. Like I really enjoyed it. Plus, they have this nice deck on the top where you can take awesome pictures with the Capitol in the background, so that's a nice perk. Let's see. Okay, things I've done this week. This weekend, I went out to dinner with my family. So, this was kind of a weird situation where, like, a bunch of people from my mom's side of the family happened to be in DC at the same time. Like, my mom's sister and her family live in the area, so they're always here. And then her oldest brother oldest brother's son and his wife live here temporarily. They're moving in July. So they're here for now. And then her younger brother's wife and daughters were here because the daughters are going to camp. So there were like 8 of us. And we were all here at the same time, so we all went out to dinner. And it was really cool to see all of them because like I haven't seen this cousin that just got married since he got married. So I was able to congratulate them on their marriage, which is a nice thing to do, I think, when people get married. So it was really cool to see all of them, and it was a nice restaurant, so I had some great dessert, and that's what's important. Let's see. Oh, so one thing I've been doing while I'm here is kind of catching up on movies that I should have seen, because I have this one friend here who is very up to date with like classic movies, I guess. And she's kind of scandalized when I'm like, oh yeah, such and such. I haven't seen that. So last night I watched Pulp Fiction, which was weird. Like, I was just confused most of the time. I don't know if you've seen that one. But yeah. I mean, I think I need to watch it again before I really decide if I liked it or not. Because it was just so weird. But I just got finished with Ferris Bueller's Day Off, which was why I was playing Twist and Shout just 10 seconds ago, because, that's a pretty pivotal scene in the movie, and it's a great song. But anyway, I just got finished watching that one, and I loved it. Like, that is a wonderful movie. That was pretty fantastic. So, yeah. Catching up on my classic movies. Put a bunch of them in the Netflix queue. So, this video is already getting pretty long, and I don't think I rambled on too much, so hopefully I won't have to cut that much out. But before I go, I wanted to show you a couple of photos that I picked up from the NASA library. They've been getting rid of some of their old prints because everything is digital now. So first, I got this really cool picture of Jupiter. Like, this is from, I forgot the mission. But this is from the mission's first, like, Voyager, I think, their first photos of Jupiter. And that's like the great red spot and stuff, and it's really cool. So I hang these on my wall. And then this one is a photo of the press conference for the 20th anniversary of the Apollo 11. So you have the astronauts right there, and I can't remember the order. But yeah, I just really like these photos. So that's about all that's going on with me. I hope you're having fun with life, and I hope you had a great time in Austin. And I will talk to you later, and I will see you on Friday. Bye!